Good morning, people. It's Brighton here in the UK. Bit cold, breezy, but it's nice. Nevertheless, out walking the dog. I just want to send condolences out to all the people out there suffering from this Ukraine war. You know, all the victims, all the innocent victims, all the army people that are like commissioned to go out there. That's people's sons and daughters out there fighting. You know, parents wondering if their kids are coming home. You know, and all this crap is caused by these leaders, man. These so-called world leaders, just greedy for money, power, resources, and it's all about them just having tit for tat. In my opinion, you know, who wants to be the next superpower? It's madness, bruv, madness. So I just want to send condolences, man, because war is no joke, man. I know we have our dubplate wars, but that's music. But when it comes to the real deal, man, you know, it's not nice having to like pack up all your shit, man, quick and put it into 2 bags and leave your house. You know, leave your whole life behind and duck out. I couldn't imagine helicopters just circling around, flipping my hometown, bombing up places, and me having to make a decision, you know, whether to pack up everything in a little bag and duck. I feel for these people, man. You know, and this war is happening, and all these wars that you see happening around the world, it's these politicians that are causing it, man. These economic people, man, that are just capitalising, running out of resources. We're fighting for oil, we're fighting for gas, we're fighting for gold. And then for every war that's going on and everything that happens and every refugee that hits every country, there's some underlying politician reason why they've had to up and leave. You know what I mean? Babylon system, man. Babylon system. It's kind of sad, man. You know what I mean, to see that. So let's have a no war day, man. Out to all the people. Bless it.